Hey, this is G from Outlier Automation. Today I'm going to be talking about how to reset a S7 1500 PLC from TIA Portal. So you can see here that on my desktop I already have a project open and I have accessible devices. I already updated that through my Ethernet card. And I have this PLC here that I found, which I'm actually just physically connected to back here. And the reason why I want to reset is because I was using it for testing and I actually don't even remember what's on it. This will allow you to reset a PLC if you have a memory card, you don't know what was on it, all of those types of things. What I'm going to do is open this drop down here, and then I'm going to go to Online and Diagnostics. And down at the bottom left here, you'll see Functions. And the two that we're going to be looking at are Reset to Factory Settings and Format Memory Card. If you're not aware, the S7 1500s require a memory card in order to actually run anything on the PLC. And that is specifically formatted and a part number from Siemens. It's not just any SD card. If something happens to it for some reason, you can go in here and reset it so that it has that specific formatting. So that's one thing I'm going to do. And then the second thing is this reset to factory settings, which will basically also wipe everything that is on the PLC. I'm actually going to do it in the reverse order. I'm going to do reset here. Obviously, if this is an actual PLC that's on a machine, this is not something you necessarily want to do. It's going to completely wipe everything. Say yes. And the retain IP address means that it's going to keep the Profinet name and an IP address as it mentions, and if you delete it, it's going to just show the MAC address. So I retain that there. I'm going to go back in here and do update accessible devices. Looks like it's still restarting. So it went from reconnecting to stop. I'm going to see if I can find it again here. There we go. See what that diagnostic said. And this is what I was having before. It says a memory card evaluation error, inconsistent external load memory. So what I'm going to do is basically that's now me going to need to reformat that SD card. This is something that isn't normally that you have to do. It's just that because of the way I was testing it, I think that it got messed up. Okay, it went to connecting and should restart here again. Okay, now it says stop. It just says no project. I'm going to update this one more time. And you saw that before, if you caught that it said module exists faulty. Now it says okay. So now we should be able to download to this PLC. I'm not going to show that in this one, but in the next one, I will show you how to upload this hardware and get a project started with the correct I/O cards that are connected here. If you ever need or have a problem with the PLC, you can format the memory card or you can do a factory reset. I would recommend doing the factory reset first. All right, good luck. Talk to you later.